going on, guys? Today I'm gonna have a special video. I got a special mod that I'm doing to my scat pack. I'm actually gonna add a cold air intake from AFE GT Momentum. It's a limited edition one. It's all red. It's gonna be super nice looking in the engine bay. I also got a catch can that I'm gonna get installed today. Just a quick little mod just to make the bloody scat run better, look better in the engine bay and all that. So yeah, stay tuned when I get to one of my friend's houses. Actually gonna install it. Guys, I gotta take a drive. I gotta go all the way to Royce City, man. He has a Hellcat Charger, man. I'm gonna show you guys. Probably do a little quick review, but yeah, stay tuned on that, all right? Man, look at the stars on the ceiling though. Looking good, looking good. So yeah, guys, I'm on the way. Got a long drive. Takes like an hour to get there, man. Probably got like 30 minutes left, so let's go. Alright guys, finally made it to my guy Cole. What's up, Cole? Say what up to the people. We gotta take out the whole goddamn bumper off just to install this motherfucker right here. But yeah guys, this is how it looks. GT Momentum, got the filter in there. I got the air duct to get to the snorkel and shit. Dude, my engine is dirty as hell. Look at that shit. Nah, bro, I haven't washed it since I got it. Matter of fact, I didn't even wash it at all. But this is his Hellcat right here. Thing look good. He got the red and blue stripes that he did himself. Ooh, look at that thing right here though. Supercharged SRT. Got the oil catch can in there. Intake. B Woody, right? B Woody intake. Man, this thing's nice, man. You wanna trade cars, bro? You good? I'm not good, bro. Yeah, I just bought him some winglets so he can put over here in the side skirt. I mean the splitter. So what have you done to the Hellcat, bro?
Forward quad, it's tuned, it's pulley.
Yeah.
Got an upper pulley on it, 285. So, got a catless mids on it.
Yeah.
B Woody intercooler on it.
All right.
What else?
Look at that SRT flag. Don't tread on me.
Got floor spacers on it.
Yeah. You done a lot to it, right? Boy got the tinted out windows looking good. Yeah. Huh? Nah, bro, I'm trying to keep up with your ass. Got a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? What kind of rims are these? Coins? Connors. Nice. See the 6 piston Brembos? I'm about to steal those from you, bro. If you get in a car accident, just be like, yo, swap them out real quick, you know. Got the red interior in this thing. Ooh, look at that. Only way to go, right? Bloody. Yo, I got him in the door panels too, bro. Nice. So you got the quilted floor mats. 200 on the dash. I see you, bro.
200 on the dash.
So that right there, guys, is what, oh, that's the new piece right there, right?
Yeah, that's the new piece right here.
So, yeah, so this old piece right here, you see, that's what that had on the scat pack. The Hellcats don't actually have this. I don't know why Dodge will even have this on there. But that's the new piece right there, you see? It's gonna tie into the snorkel. Yeah. And then we got the air duct right there to connect to the intake. That way, we get that air flowing through the snorkel. But yeah. Check that out. V8, brother. V8, son. Guess what, though? Is a scat pack engine bigger than the Hellcat? V6.4. 6.2.
We're gonna make it fit.
Yeah, so that's the tube that's gonna connect to the intake right there. Yes, sir. And you see it coming out right there.
That's where that cold air gonna come from.
Boy, 30 horsepower. You can see it on the box. 29. Come on now.
29.
AFE, better not let me down. Better not let me down. Dude, that thing looks good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wonder if it's gonna look real perfect in there. Oh, yeah. My boy Cole said I need some more purple lean because I'm running low on that thing. What's that shit called? Is that like a Kool-Aid? What is that shit, bro?
I might have some extra.
Some Kool-Aid up in there? I need some Kool-Aid, brother. Help me out, man. So I guess, yeah, that thing's gonna look beast, bro. Dude, look how big this filter is. It's bigger than his, man. Come on. That thing better give me another 50 horsepower. Yes, sir. Yeah, that thing look good. We're just getting ready for We Are Mopar, March 20th. It's gonna be lit. This is your stepbrother's Challenger right here, right?
Yeah.
So his stepbrother got his Challenger. What is this, RT? Oh, XXT, but he got that thing dropped. Look at that thing, man. No gap on that XST, man. Hey, Dodge does a good way, man. They do real good. The Rams look nice for XXT. Looks real good. He got the lighting trends on here too, man. Turn them on, bro. Or after we get done. I see that thing. Diffuser. You got the white diffuser on that thing. Yeah, buddy. I have not seen a Hellcat or a Charger with red and blue stripes. What do you call this thing, brother?
American Cat.
The American Cat, man. You can see it right here. Got the SRT flag. Boy, you're not even from Texas. You're from Louisiana, bro. What you doing with that Texas flag? It don't matter. Still part of the South. Dude, I'm about to steal your supercharger, bro. Put it on the scatty. Yeah, that thing's nice, man. That quality's real nice. Yes, sir. Alright, man, we have to. Yes, sir. That looks legit, bro. I'm jealous, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, guys, we had to go all the way to O'Reilly's. His battery died because he was gone for 8 weeks, and that shit on die. Just focus, focus, focus. There you go. Looking good. I like that little ring right there, that halo ring.
See if I can change the color up.
Go ahead. You got the app?
Yeah.
The boy's stunting on the app and shit.
Cole's car.
Yes, sir. Check it out. What's your favorite color you ride in? Yo, Cole, so let me ask you. Can you ride with these lights besides the blue and the red on these streets and not get pulled over?
Nope. You ride in white.
Yeah. Yeah, see, I was doing that because I wasn't taking no chances on that, man. Let's get this cold start though, brother. Check it out. That look good. Yeah, me too. I'm gonna step over here, bro. Fuck that shit. That carbon exhaust. Yeah, buddy, that thing sounds good though. I ain't gonna lie to you. That thing look good, sounds good. Yes, sir. About to take a ride in the Hellcat, no sir. It's good, bro. Glad you got the red interior in this thing. Bro, who sits all the way up here? Hellcat SRT.
Everything reset itself. Change the battery.
Oh shit. Got the red key, man. Focus. There you go. Yes, sir. Oh, you got the fucking lights over here? So, Cole, what have you done to this Hellcat, man?
Man, got an upper pulley 285.
Yeah.
Tuned by EMP out of New York City.
Nice. NYC, I see what it's saying.
Tune, trans tuning, tune, cat delete.
Okay.
Woody intercooler.
Yeah.
Had by interchiller spacers on it.
So, how many horsepower is you doing to the wheel?
About 800.
800? Okay. And, huh?
About 800.
Okay. So, yeah, man. He's doing 800. 800 to the wheel. What else you got planned for this, man?
That's it right now.
For now, should get expensive, right? Yes, sir. So, man, let's go take it for a cruise and see what it is about, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we in the suburbs right now, so we can't be doing no crazy shit right here. But just give it a second. Do you know how much boost you're running at right now?
15 pounds max.
13, okay. Yeah, that supercharger sounds so good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm jealous right now, man.
You gotta pay to play.
Yeah. I should have got me a Hellcat. Fuck. It's all good in the hood, though. You know what I'm saying? Gotta rep the Scat Pack. When was the last time you took it to the track?
Man, there's been some tracks.
You never took it to the track, bro? What? Damn, son. What's the nearest track around here? Is it the Texas Motorplex? Or?
Yeah, probably Texas Motorplex.
Yeah, that shit sound good, bro. I know you missed that shit. Being stuck in a boat for 8 weeks. Ain't got no supercharger in that boat. See, on my way up here, bro, I came that way right there. Ain't nothing over there, bro. Woo. Damn. Now what tires you got in the back, brother?
You know, 555 R's.
Okay.
305s.
Damn, son, 305s. Yeah, cause we was in my 245s. Yeah, we would have been in the side right now, son. Oh yeah.
You're just gonna spend a whole day like this.
Yeah. Yeah, it sucks, guys. Today it's been raining over here in Dallas, Texas. So the roads is a little wet, man. It's gonna be raining tomorrow. But Saturday and Sunday is gonna be sunny, so hopefully you come out Sunday, bro, to this field up me.
Yeah, we can do a higher roll.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like
I ain't gonna lie to you, that supercharger guy sounds real fucking good. Big difference in the Scat Pack. God damn. Yeah, guys, so this is my first time ever riding a Charger Hellcat. Man, I love it, man. The supercharger sounds too good. And he's done some crazy miles, I ain't gonna lie. You said 800 to the wheel, bro?
Yes, sir.
Damn, bro, you crazy. So check it out, man. His Hellcat, I love the way he got it, man. I'm telling you. Look at that thing. SRT. How long you had the Hellcat, brother?
9 months now.
9 months. How you loving it so far? Beast, huh? So he's been gone for 8 weeks, man, for work, and this was his first time driving it in 8 weeks. Battery was dead. Yeah. Liking this shit, bro. Hell yeah. What's your IG, bro? So they can follow you and all that.
I'll give you my car one. So I'll give you my personal one.
I'll feel you on that. I know it's like American Hellcat or something like that.
American Hellcat, 2 T's.
Focus. God damn it. There you go, guys. Check them out.
Yes, sir.
Look at that thing. Clean.
Man.
Woo! Let me turn this off, man. Let me switch out the batteries because my shit's about to die. Yes, sir. Woo! Damn, son. Bro, that shit loud, son. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. Make sure if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the comment section, and give it a thumbs up. I can't give it a rev for you guys because I don't have somebody to rev it, but I'm telling you, the way I notice the difference is just the way it picks up. The car picks up amazingly, picks up real quick. It sounds real good. You can actually hear the intake. I'm gonna try to get some shots tomorrow, and hopefully I can plug it in because yeah, my battery's about to die. So yeah, guys, hit the comment section, hit the like button, and it's your boy Chris NYC. We out. Peace.